Ladies and gentlemen, we are back, and I've got another car that I just purchased. I did get rid of the silver Skyline that I had, the R34. I mentioned that in a previous video. However, we got myself a Nissan 370Z. Now, it's weird because I always end up going back to these cars. I don't know what it is about them. I've lost count with how many I've had already. This has got to be like the fifth or sixth one. But I mainly bought this because of the color. You got the black cherry 2011 370Z. Pretty much all stock. All it's got is an exhaust, and I think that's fast intention. I think that's what it's called. Catback exhaust system, so it's not overly loud, no drone. So overall, I'm happy with how the car looks. So I found this car in Olney, Illinois. It's like 4 hours south of where I live, in the middle of nowhere. So I bought the car sight unseen, took cash down, and purchased it. However, on my way back home, it is a 4-hour drive, so we took a little break in Champaign, Illinois, parked the car, took the kids to the park, and when I got back in, it wouldn't start. And that's my luck with almost every car. Every car I buy ends up going on a tow truck first before it heads to me, and it's no different with this thing. So eventually, I did get this car home, and I drove it home. Mind you, I waited for AAA. They took maybe 4 or 5 hours of my time just waiting there at this park. My kids loved it because they wanted to go to that park and just kind of stay there all day. But 4 to 5 hours, I kid you not. And after about 5 hours, they tell me that they don't have a tow truck that they can take me home in. And I got to wait till Monday, and it's only Saturday. So I had to wait 48 hours to get a tow truck. That's AAA for you. I got their Plus membership, so I do not recommend those guys. They drove me up a wall and did not help at all. But I eventually got the car started because it is a starter, and we push start this thing. So yeah, 6-speed manual. It's got high miles, 130,000 miles on this thing, but it's the touring edition. And I'm actually taking this car to Omega, which is my go-to shop. So I got a lot planned for this car. It's going to be a keeper. Right now I go through cars very quickly, but this one is a keeper. I want to make it into an official track car, take it to the racetrack, and just have fun with it. So I'm going to be doing some run times with this, the way the car sits, and then slowly do some mods on this thing and see how much of a difference it can make. So to give you an idea of what the car is doing, that's it. It just clicks. So that is a starter. So a new starter is about 600 bucks online from Nissan. That's way too much money. But I found one on Amazon for 70 bucks. So we're going to give it a go and see if this actually works. I'll link it down below in case it does work. And then if you guys have any questions about it to see how long it lasts, be sure to comment down below and I'll give you guys an update. But I've read some reviews. It's supposed to last. So let's see how it goes. All right. So we're going to go ahead and push start this thing just like I did last time. If you don't know how to do that, all you got to do is put in the on position. And this is the first time I did this, and it actually worked right away. Put it in the on position, put it in second gear, let it roll. So I'm on the downhill. And then once we get to the bottom, we're gonna pop the clutch. And it works. Yeah, but the starter's completely dead, and yeah, that's just a little hack to get this thing going. Now, the only thing is I can't stall this. I gotta go about an hour away from where I live to the shop, but easy to drive. We'll get there, hopefully. I mean, overall, the car is really good. It drove 4 hours all the way back home. So, I mean, the car runs fine. I love the rev up, shift match. I mean, overall, that is good. It's just the starter went. Battery, everything else seems okay. I love that rev up. I'm not doing that. I just downshift and it just kind of matches my rev, which is pretty cool. And in case you're wondering if there's any drone, 3,000 RPM, I don't hear anything. Completely silent, which is a good thing. Of course, when you accelerate, but even then, it's not overly loud, which I like. And we are here. My home away from home. So this is the shop owner's drift car. This guy actually goes drifting with this thing. It's pretty neat. I always wanted to get into this. I just realized my younger brother's car's back there too. The Castrol Supra. brother's car right here. Not sure what he's getting done. Probably some maintenance work on this. But yeah, always a pleasure to look at. Check this out, a Tour V Chaser. Looks like a drift car. Slight accident. I've always liked these. I don't know. Maybe one day I'll get one. Good night, Carl.
How's it going?
Oh, check this thing out. C6 Vet. Looks like a drift car too. Damn. Oh, we got some progress on the Hummer. It's back down. The last video was up. Oh, this thing is nice though. I feel like they just put the car on the jack here. I was waiting for my brother to pick me up, but they just told me it's done. So hopefully it starts because I'm using that Amazon starter. I got Marco here, the owner and CEO of Omega.
The fastest service.
That literally less than an hour. Placed the entire starter on this thing. Everything looks good?
Yeah, everything looks good. Everything's solid.
That's always a good thing. Especially when you're buying these cars sight unseen. Overall, the car is very clean, so I'm very pleased with it. Checks out, no issues whatsoever. And it's got a full catback exhaust system. So they fixed it in less than an hour. Very surprised. Now, when you look it up online, a starter takes about 2.5 to 3.5 hours. That's what the shop time is recommended. And you can cross-check that with AI. It says the same exact thing. So they did it less than an hour. They didn't have to take off the plenum or the intake, whatever manifold that is adjusted online. I'm not exactly sure what the specifics are, but yeah, they did an amazing job. Car starts up right away, driving great. They did a full inspection on it, so I'm super pleased and happy that this is a great base. Not a lot of rust underneath. Everything checks out, no leaks. Everything looks fresh, so I'm happy. I'm excited. And then of course I got the Amazon $70 starter on this thing. That just sounds pretty cool when it starts up. I am afraid that it might not last as long, but I read reviews. People say it lasts a couple of years. If I can get a few years out of it, it beats paying $600-700, whatever the original price is on a OEM starter. All right, so just gonna hang out at my younger brother's place real quick. We gotta check out his other car. Hold on one second, let me get out. 1961 Mercedes. What is it called? Whatever he said, yeah. 1961, old school. It needs a fintail?
It means fintail.
Oh, it means fintail. Well, whatever it is, it's really cool to look at. So Mercedes 200. I'm not familiar with these, but I mean, this is nostalgic. So he's got a Castrol Supra and then this. Makes sense. A fun fact about this car was imported from Europe. So these badges actually signify all the countries and places it's been. So if it made it through their highways, their land, it got a badge on there, and that's how it was delivered to the States.
Gotta give it a lot of gas.
Okay, I'll learn it. The clutch is a little weird.
Yeah, it's a weird way of shifting.
Damn it. How many gears are there?
4.
What the hell?
Oh, you're in fourth, bud. Back and left, bottom left.
Yeah, there you go.
There?
Yeah.
Ah. This is how they used to drive, right? They kept doing this.
Just correction.
Constant correction. Where's third?
Top right.
Top.
Back right. Forward right, sorry.
Too
I don't know
complicated.
how to explain this.
Oh, you have to turn the signal off yourself?
Yeah.
Well, that's not fun.
So yeah, until next time, you guys. Thanks for watching.